Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager with Toshiba Canada, and today I'd like to demonstrate for you how we can have a new form of contactless remote service with our photocopiers. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So one of the first things we have to do is to be able to enable what's known as a virtual network connection with the copier. I'm using VNC Connect, but there are multiple other different ways of doing vendors who can do this as well. Once we've enabled Teamviewer, once we've enabled VNC, we can log into a customer's computer remotely with remote desktop software using something like Teamviewer, which is a very well-known software for doing this. It's customers know it, they trust it, and it's secure. One other method of remotely connecting to a customer's computer, if you're both working on a Windows 10 computer, is the free built-in feature known as Microsoft Quick Assist. Where I can give assistance to another person's computer and control it remotely. And basically with Quick Assist, you have to log in with a certified Microsoft account. And that account, once you do that, you'll be sent a text message with a 6-digit security code, which you give the customer on the other side, and they can type that into their Windows 10 computer under Quick Assist, and you'll be able to quickly connect with their computer, move their mouse, browse their folders, use their web browser, download files, all the things you need to do to remotely work on a computer elsewhere. A common task we have to perform for customers is scan email is very popular, and sometimes it stops working for whatever reason, and we have to resolve that issue for the customer. So in this case, I'm going to browse to what I call the SMTP client of the copier. And in this case, the customer is trying to resolve an issue with Office 365, and we can adjust some various things. And once we get that done, we can test to make sure that it works, which is now successfully connected. Another common task that we're often asked to do is to install print drivers remotely on a computer. And it might be a new computer, or maybe your current computer has some sort of issue. It could be any of a range of things. But for example, right here under Toshiba.com, I can browse to the service proportion of the support portion of the website and download a print driver for that particular copier. Once I've downloaded the print driver, I can go to Devices and Printers, and I can browse to that print driver. And I can manipulate it in whatever ways I need to do. Such I could configure the port. I could make sure everything's connected okay, which it has. I can manipulate the print driver in whatever way I require. So now what we're looking at, I've actually now connected via the network connection, via the virtual network connection to the computer copy that's right over my shoulder here that you can see the LCD panel on. And this is the actual panel. I can do things like maybe do a copy job or whatever it may be. But today I'm interested in showing you how we can remotely service that copier. So I can browse to the user function of the copier and get to the service portion of the copier. And this allows me to browse into the submenus of the service portion of the copier so that I can adjust whatever issue the customer is having at the moment with the copier. Should the service technician know the service codes of the copier? They can quickly find out, for example, in this case, that the copier is at version 15.12 of the firmware. And 15.12 is the latest version, and this is what allows us to do this new form of remote service that before March 2021 we were not able to do. I want to show you one other service aspect of the copier. And that is the ability to remotely service the copier or remotely have the copier report to us. For example, if the toner is low, or it can report to us by email or fax. For example, the meter counts on the copier, any preventive maintenance features we have to perform. If the waste toner box is getting full, if the toner itself is getting low, any service codes the copier may generate, or any hard drive alerts that hard drive might fail. So this is my contact information. Have any questions about how to perform remote service on the copier? I'd be more than happy to assist. In summary, what we've seen here is a new form of what I like to call contactless remote service. In the COVID and post-COVID world of today, customers are concerned about their both their safety and security, and the ability to log in remotely to a copier to fix it from a distance is of great value to the customer and ourselves as a service provider. It saves us a lot of time and money if we don't have to travel there to perform relatively simple tasks or even complicated tasks. So I hope you found this video informative, and we'll see you in the next video, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.